Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm yet again back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Uber Eats account. So if you've been using Uber Eats for a certain while but no longer want to use it and want to permanently shut off this account for any specific reason, that is up to you. Please stick with me till the end of this video to find out how that can be done. But before that, if you haven't yet done it, do subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification so that you are reminded of our videos every single time there's a new upload on How to Geek. So now without much ado, let's get into the video. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Uber Eats app on your mobile device and that you're also already logged into your account. So when you're already logged in, you will land on your home page where you can see that on the bottom right corner there's an account section. Go to the account section, and as you go to the account section, you'll be able to see an option that says help. Tap on help. When you tap on help, the second option says account and payment options. Select that and then select account settings. As you select account settings, you'll be able to see, as you scroll downwards, an option that says delete my Uber account. So tap on it. Now here are certain instructions on how your account can be deleted. So here it says, first of all, you'll have to open the link and then sign in. Once sign in, you'll also have to follow the instructions. So tap on delete my Uber account. As you tap on delete my Uber account, you're now directed towards a certain web browser where you'll be provided with certain information on how you can get signed into your account and then further processings on how your account will get deleted. So you also have to enter your email address over here. So I'm just going to enter the email address that I had previously used in order to create my account. So after doing this, tap on the next button. As you tap on the next button, you'll also have to enter your password. So make sure that you enter the correct password and then tap on the next button again. After doing this, it says here that a 4-digit code has been sent to you. You'll again have to enter the 4-digit codes as well. So here I'm just going to enter it and then tap on verify. After you tap on verify, you will now be able to land on an interface like this. It'll show you that the following profiles will be deleted. So tap on continue. It says here that it'll immediately be deactivated and permanently deleted after 30 days, which means that within the 30 days time period, if you want to log in back to your account, you'll be able to do so. But if you don't use your account for 30 days, your account will get permanently deleted. So tap on continue. And then they'll also ask you, why are you deleting your account? So you can simply tap on a particular option and then tap on delete account again. So here it says that your account deletion request was successful. You will now be logged out. So this is basically how it works, how deleting your Uber Eats account work. I hope that this video has been of help to you. And if you found this video helpful, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.